these people who are dependent on Sundarban, they are dependent for generation after generation. They are entering into the forest. They are collecting resources for their livelihood. But what happened with the community people in forest community? They are the men and the women. Both they are entering into the forest. But the men, they are entering into the deep forest. But because of the security, women, they cannot enter into the forest. And not only for security, the attitude is like that. Women cannot take this risky responsibility, like the threat of tiger attack, threat of other wild animals. So men, they sometimes they want to be protector of the women, maybe from good willing, but sometimes because of the long years traditional belief that women are to take responsibility of the families, but not to go out, not to earn money, not to do productive works. But practically what happened, women, they have to enter into the forest because of their livelihood. But they are not socially recognized. Their contribution in economy is not socially recognized. Community don't believe that women is doing something for the growth of the economy. So we started from the general, like what are the problems in your locality, in your community. Like that time they told that the water crisis, these things, their livelihood crisis. And then slowly we entered the issues of gender, like the analysis of their activities. So do the activity profile, so divided into groups, and then you share, you just tell from the morning to the night what women are doing and what men are doing. And then we just did a strategy, like we ask the men, please tell what women are doing, and ask the men, please tell, ask the women, please tell what men are doing. Then they list down. Like this way. And then that way it was came out that women are doing many works than the men. Among the participants of this project, this direct target audiences of this project, now their thinking is changed. It is the best achievement, because at the last workshop, when they came to national level to do advocacy with the policy planners, they were telling that yes, now we are thinking it was not good, it was not justified what we have done in our past life. The men, they were telling. And what is very good, that in the second workshop at local level, the female women participants, they were directly asking the male participants, directly asking, why you will not give value to our works like this? It was gradually the attitude was changing.